My name is Elizabeth, and I will be presenting manganese, element number 25. Manganese is a transitional metal that was first discovered in 1774 by Carl Wilhelm Scheele, and later isolated by Johann Gottlieb Gahn. Manganese is a naturally occurring element that is most commonly found as oxides, silicates, and carbonates. Manganese is never found as a lone metal. The manganese name was derived from the Latin word magnus, which stands for magnet. The reason for this is because manganese dioxide has magnetic physical properties. Manganese has a steel gray color, and it is a solid at room temperature. Because manganese is a transitional metal, it is very hard, brittle, and electronegative. Manganese is a chemically active element. Although it is difficult to melt, it is easily oxidized. Manganese is reactive when pure, it rusts with water, and dissolves with dilute acids. As a powder, it will burn in oxygen. Manganese heptoxide is a strong oxidizer that instantly ignites. Manganese comprises approximately 0.1% of the Earth's crust. It is the 12th most abundant element and the 5th most abundant metal. Manganese is obtained from ores found all over the world. India, Russia, and South Africa are the largest producers. Manganese is also known to lie on the ocean floors in the form of nodules. Nodules are large lumps of metallic ores in the bottom of the ocean, and they contain 24% of manganese. Most of the ores harvested are a combination of metals, many including nickel, cobalt, and copper. These nodules are about the size of a grapefruit. There is evidence of mining that date back thousands of years, but it wasn't until 1837 in Scotland that James Cooper identified manganese as a trace element with neurotoxicant properties. Laborers of the late 18th and the 19th centuries were exposed to significantly high levels of manganese, causing them to develop manganism. Symptoms of manganese toxicity include, but are not limited to, headaches, memory loss, hand tremors, and slurred speech. Manganism symptoms resemble those portrayed by Parkinson's disease. Oftentimes, people would mistake one for the other. Nowadays, manganism is no longer prevalent. Instead of miners, we use large machinery, so the chances of manganese toxicity are very slim. That does not mean it's impossible. If we see manganese toxicity now, it is likely due to poorly filtered well water, or taking too many manganese supplements. Manganese deficiency was first recorded in 1970. Symptoms include brittle bones, hormone imbalances, and weak immune systems. The daily intake for both men and women are minor. Men need 2.3 milligrams while women need 1.8 milligrams. Manganese plays a vital role on a cellular level and in connective tissue health. Plus, it is known to promote healthy bones. Reaching our daily intake for manganese is quite easy. You can find manganese in all sorts of nuts, seeds, dark chocolate, and black tea. Today, manganese is not only present in our diet, but it is prevalent in the steel industry. Manganese is used to form an alloy in steel, which in turn results in better properties such as toughness, stiffness, wear resistance, hardness, and most important, strength. Overall, manganese helps improve forging qualities of steel. Lastly, a fun fact about manganese is that it also is responsible for coloring glass a dark shade of purple. Sometimes it's even used to fix impurities.